What's going on, y'all? It's your boy BT. I'm back here at it again with this 2014 Honda Civic SI. So, been waiting for a while, got a lot of the parts in, trying to figure out what's going on with this key system, why it's not picking it up. So, I'll just go over real quick what we got here. So, within this system, we've got this brake switch that was corroded, so that's been replaced. I've replaced the two switches up under here. Here's one of them for the clutch. Okay, we got a brand new fuse box here that also has the MIC U unit in it. I got the a used sub relay box. It seems like between the old one and the new one, I think those are both still working. I've got here a new smart PCU box, but I'm not able to program that. The old one is still here, and it seems to still be working. It does at least pick up the key, but I'll show you what the issue is right now. Also got a new tack right here. So this one's working now. I got a new unit here as well. And this one, I think it's working. When I bypass the sub relay box, it does light up. So, but the issue I'm having here now is this. So when the key is by the ignition and you push the button, this is what I get here. Okay, hold it near. So when we get close with it, do this one too. Here, okay, here we go. So when you get the key close and you push it, that's what I get. This little beep noise. So this is where we are right now. A lot of components replaced. I'm not sure why the system is not picking up the key, but it will not turn into ACC mode because something else is going on. I did check the ACC relay. That relay is good. That checks out. But if anybody knows what's going on here with the system, I'd be very interested if we got any Honda techs out there that know what's going on here. So see that? You hold the button down, you get one flash, and that's that. So yeah, a lot of things replaced. It's coming together. As you can see here, the lights inside work. I will say that the door locks are not working because I've only got one door lock responding right now. So that tells me the other three are definitely got issues there. So I would hope that that's not playing into part of the issue, but let me know your guys' thoughts. Even when I push this button here, it's telling me to you know, put the key near the button. So something's going on here with the system. So let me know your thoughts. We'll keep working on this thing and see if we can turn this back into a running vehicle. All right, holla.